Number 1. 1988 Chevrolet S10, price $7,000, with 119,000 miles and a 5-speed manual transmission. It features a brown exterior paired with a tan interior, making it a classic-looking truck with plenty of character. Powered by the original stock 2.5L engine, this S10 runs well and offers the simplicity and reliability these trucks are known for. It has been leveled with approximately a 1-inch drop and fitted with new shocks, giving it a comfortable ride and an improved stance. Recent maintenance includes a new slave cylinder. The truck will need a new battery, and the speedometer stopped working last year, with fewer than 250 miles driven since it quit. It is also equipped with an aftermarket sound system, though there is a parasitic electrical draw somewhere in the system that will need to be diagnosed. Number 2. 2000 GMC Sierra 3500, price $8,500, well-maintained heavy-duty pickup with 155,000 miles, an automatic transmission, a burgundy exterior, and a clean gray interior. Equipped with a powerful 7.4L V8 engine and a dependable 4x4 drivetrain, it delivers excellent performance for both daily driving and towing. The truck comes with cold air conditioning, cruise control, power windows, and power seats for added comfort and convenience. It also features a factory tow package with a working trailer light plug, making it ready for hauling trailers or equipment. This is a 2-owner truck that was originally purchased new from Bob Lugers in Jasper and has been well cared for over the years. It runs and drives exceptionally well with a smooth, comfortable ride. The engine performs strong with no smoke, there are no fluid leaks, and the steering remains tight and responsive. Number 3. 1997 Ford F350, price $9,990. It has 280,000 miles and is equipped with a dependable automatic transmission. Finished in classic white with a clean gray interior, this 4x2 truck has spent its life between Florida and Ohio, helping preserve its overall condition. The truck runs and drives excellent, delivering the strong and reliable performance that the Ford F-Series is known for. The engine starts easily, the transmission shifts smoothly, and the truck is ready to be driven without issue. It also features cold air conditioning that works great, providing comfort during warm weather. Inside, the gray interior has been well kept and remains clean and presentable, showing that the truck has been cared for over the years. Whether it's needed for work, towing, hauling, or everyday driving, this F350 is a dependable and practical choice. Number 4. 1999 Ford F350, price $7,000. This truck is powered by the legendary 7.3L Powerstroke diesel engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 267,000 miles on the odometer and features a black exterior with a clean tan interior. The truck has been well cared for and runs and drives great, cruising comfortably at highway speeds without any issues. The previous owner purchased the truck about a year ago with long-term plans to keep it, but changing circumstances made a heavy-duty truck no longer necessary. It has been upgraded with an MBRP 4-inch turboback exhaust, a new Bluetooth stereo, and 4 new Jensen 6x8 3-way speakers for improved sound quality. Additional upgrades include 20% window tint with a 5% windshield brow, a PMF suspension heavy-duty track bar and Y-link, and a redhead steering gearbox for enhanced steering performance and durability. Number 5. 1996 GMC 1500, price $6,800. Comes with a clean title and has 150,000 miles on the odometer. Powered by a dependable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, this truck delivers reliable performance whether it's used for daily driving, work, or weekend hauling. It features a classic white exterior complemented by a clean black interior, giving it a timeless and well-kept appearance. The truck has been properly maintained, runs and drives great, and is ready to hit the road with no known issues. The registration tags are up to date, and it has already passed smog inspection for added peace of mind. It is equipped with a fully functional air conditioning and heating system to keep the cabin comfortable in any season, while the good tires provide a smooth ride and dependable traction. Number 6. 1995 Ford F-150, price $8,900, well-maintained classic pickup with a white exterior, blue interior, manual transmission, and a reliable gasoline-powered inline 6-cylinder engine. The interior is in excellent condition with well-kept seats and a clean dashboard, while the exterior is accident-free and remains in excellent shape. It also features an upgraded radio, tinted windows, repainted bumpers and wheels, a Duraliner bedliner, dual fuel tanks, and tires with approximately 90% tread remaining. Mechanically, the truck runs and drives great with no engine leaks. The 4-speed manual transmission with overdrive shifts smoothly, the brakes work well, and it has recently passed smog inspection and received fresh oil, filter, and lubrication service. The heater works perfectly, the AC blows strong but needs a recharge, both fuel tanks are full, and the pink slip is in hand. Number 7. 1997 Dodge Ram 2500, price $6,500. This truck has 203,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 5.9L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. It features a red exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, giving the truck a classic and rugged appearance. The truck runs and drives great, with both the heat and air conditioning working properly. All of the electrical and mechanical features function as they should, making it a reliable vehicle for everyday driving or work. The current owner drives it regularly, so the mileage may increase slightly over time. The only known issue is that when driving at higher speeds and hitting a large bump, the transmission may occasionally shift into neutral. Aside from that, the truck has proven to be dependable and continues to perform well. Number 8. 1996 Dodge Dakota, price $4,200, powered by a dependable 3.9L V6 engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has 184,000 miles on the odometer and features a red exterior with a gray interior. Over the years, it has received a new AC compressor, radiator, water pump, thermostat, idler pulley, fan clutch, blower motor, and resistor. Several important engine management sensors have also been replaced, including the IAC, MAP, TPS, crank position, and temperature sensors. The windshield wiper transmission was professionally rebuilt with new bushings, while the upper control arms and ball joints have been replaced to improve handling and reliability. The brake system and cooling system have both been flushed, and the engine has consistently received oil changes every 3,000 miles. The truck was professionally repainted by Mako in 2020, giving it a clean appearance. Interior updates include a new carpet, new headliner, and a Bluetooth radio for added comfort and convenience. Number 9. 1993 Ford F-150, price $6,500, equipped with a dependable 5.0L V8 engine, an automatic transmission, and a capable 4x4 drivetrain, making it a reliable truck for both everyday driving and light off-road use. It has 108,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a gasoline engine that starts easily and runs smooth. The exterior is finished in silver, while the beige interior has been exceptionally well maintained and remains remarkably clean for a truck of its age. Although the body shows some rust in certain areas, the frame is solid and structurally sound, providing a strong foundation for years of continued use. Number 10. 2003 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,500. It has 256,000 miles and is powered by a dependable 5.3L V8 engine paired with a smooth-shifting automatic transmission. Finished in black with a gray interior, this gasoline-powered pickup continues to run strong and drive great, making it a solid choice for anyone looking for a reliable full-size truck. The engine performs well, and the truck offers a comfortable driving experience both around town and on the highway. It comes equipped with cold air conditioning, an aftermarket radio, upgraded wheels, and all major features are reported to be in proper working condition. The exterior and body show normal wear for its age and mileage, including rust, faded paint, scratches, and a few dings, but these cosmetic imperfections do not affect its overall performance.